One last thing that I want to tell you before I sign out is that there are various ways how you can create your Shopify store. In the PDF document, in the prompt kit, in the end, I'm going to share a few more links of how to create a Shopify store using the Claude code, which is a bit more technical. And I will share the full tutorial here that is created by somebody else, but I think it's a useful guide. Also, there is a link that supports this document. And also you have, of course, the Shopify native AI builder, which I still haven't tried it, but probably it should also produce a good website as well. So there are really no excuses. All you need to do is just get started. And if you have any questions, you can reach out to us at any time. The prompt kit is linked below, and every prompt from the series is in order and it is ready to use. All you need to do is download it and follow the steps, and you will get a similar website like I showed you. So the catalog is here, the tools are there, and the only thing left is to get started. Good luck.